Hello. Did you know the color of your eye could change with your mood? Well, I'm going to show you how to change the color of an eye in Photoshop. You can change the colors to something nice or diabolic as you see in the preview video. So in this video, you're going to use the quick selection tool and highlight the iris part of the eye. That part controls the color of the eye. So with the quick selection tool, you want to pick out the iris like so, and it doesn't have to be really detailed. Just try to get that part, even if it selects the pupil too, doesn't really matter. Just pick the portion of the eye as such with the quick selection tool. It can be as detailed as you want or however. So when you're done picking that out, you want to go to the adjustment panel and click on hue and saturation, and then slide that knob to the right or to the left like so to change the color of the eye. Voila, it's coming out like so. So for the saturation, which controls how much or how little the color, you can drag the knob, and then that's for the shadow and light. You drag that knob and apply as much shadow or as much light as you like. So when you've done that, you may want to go to the layers panel and click on that eyebot icon to see how far the progress you've made with the adjustment. So you can also change the color of the cornea, which is the white part of the eye, by using the quick selection tool and picking it out like so, and then go to the adjustment panel and click on hue and saturation, and then slide that knob to the left or right to apply a color to the white part of the eye. That's like changing the white part, cornea, change the color of the cornea. And with this shadow light knob, you can make it dark. Yeah, that looks dark, it looks demonic, and I like it. Yeah, it's like a vampire eye. So with that knob there, you can slide and apply shadows and a dark color to the eye. Well, after you've done that, you may want to go to layers and compare with what you have earlier. I see the progress you've made with the adjustment and the editing. So that looks good. You may want to close that and then apply curves to blend the adjustment so far. I mean, there are a few blotches around there, so you go to adjustment and click on curves. You want to drag the curve down to apply a little bit of shade or shadow sort of to the eye like so. So you drag the curves downwards, apply as much curve as you would wish, and close that, and go to layers and want to concentrate the curves on the eyeballs alone. So you want to fill that mask with a dark, and then with the brush tool switch the foreground color to white, and then have the mask selected, pick out portions of the eye where you want the curves to appear. So that's masking the curves and exposing portions of the mask layer to expose the parts where you've applied the curves. So that looks really nice. It covers the blotches a bit. It doesn't have to be perfect. Perfection is a mistake. So with this, you're done. You can apply that as much as you like. The beauty of it is that this particular technique, the possibilities you can afford is virtually endless. You can actually apply this technique to other images like so. Like for instance, this flower here, you may use quick selection tool to bring it out, and then grow the selection like this, and then go to the adjustments panel, hue and saturation, and then slide the knob left or right to change the color of that flower. Voila, I mean, look at that. It does it instantly. You can change the color of virtually anything in an image with the hue and saturation in the adjustments panel. I mean, this is a quick fix sort of to finishing images and all that. I mean, you can do that with a couple other things. I mean, look at that image. Say you want to adjust the color of the car a little bit. You want to go there with the click and select portions of the image with a quick selection tool or other available selection tools there. Doesn't have to be detailed, but it can be detailed as much as you want. For the purpose of this video, we can just select that as thus, and then pick out, try to be detailed a little bit, and once you're done, you go to adjustments panel and then click on hue / saturation, and then slide that hue knob to the left or to the right, and you instantly see the changes it will make to the selected part of the image. You can do that with virtually anything. I mean, that's just the beauty of the hue and saturation adjustment in Photoshop. So thank you for watching. I hope this video was useful to you. Please subscribe and watch some of my other videos too.